Hi, welcome back to another video about Google Education, and today we are going to see how to log on Gmail and how to use Google Agenda. So once you're logged in your Google account, you can only click on Gmail here, and it brings you to every email you received. So when you're going to receive a invitation for Google Classroom, it's going to be here. You can send your email right here. And yeah, so if you want to send an email, you just have to click there and write the name of the person you want to send a message to. In the corner here, there's 9 little dots. You click on that and you find agenda. So everything you need to know, the works you need to send, some Google Meet links can be all here. For example, I have a Google Meet link here, so I just had to click Meet and a work to be done here. So it says right there, and I need to get that done.